Group 2 reading The Anglo-Zulu War, which is in South Africa, otherwise known as the Battle of Islandwanda. Long before the Berlin Conference, England had been exploiting, which means to take advantage of, territories within South Africa for resources and trading routes. The British were interested in Zululand, which is an area or region within South Africa that was home to the Zulu people, for several reasons, like wanting the Zulu population to work in the diamond fields of South Africa and creating a government that would end all local independence. Cetshwayo, who was the king of the Zulus, was unwilling to be controlled by British rule and assembled a strong army of 50,000 men. In December 1878, the British ruler for South Africa gave the Zulu an ultimatum. An ultimatum is telling someone they have to do something, and if they don't, they will be punished. An ultimatum that they had to disband, which means take apart their army, and pay a heavy tax to the British. The Zulus refused, so in 1879, British troops invaded their lands. British troops advanced into Zululand and rested in an area known as Islandwanda. Because they felt superior or better than the native Zulu peoples, the British commander underestimated, which is to guess or assume that someone is weaker or less powerful than they actually are. So the British commander underestimated Zulu forces and decided he didn't need to set up any defenses. Because of this mistake, Zulu forces attacked the British and killed over 800 British troops without having an equal military technology or resources. Although the Zulus would not end up winning the war with the British, they still made a lasting impact of resistance. Up to that point, the British army had never suffered so many deaths at the hands of native populations, and England had to spend a lot of money, lose thousands of lives, and use tons of resources in order to make up for underestimating the Zulu peoples.